Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. And you may be wondering, right, you didn't post on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. No kidding. I was away last weekend and was very busy. And then with all this smoke that's coming from Canada and some from Minnesota, it got me really congested. I had a sore throat. I had to go down to our little quick care to get me checked out. I'm fine, just got to cough up some more stuff and, you know, all that lovely stuff that I don't want to talk about. But anyway, I'm okay. Just dragging a little bit. It's going to take another few days and I'll be fine, but you probably can hear it in my voice. I literally, this past Sunday, I lost my voice speaking a little bit. It was crackly and everything. It just wasn't pretty. So anyway, I don't want to talk too long, but what has happened is I was at the Dunes Resort in Douglas, Michigan last weekend for Christmas in July. Had a great time. Our little Christmas parade, which usually has about 20 some people in it, at close to 50. And you're going to see the video and highlights and photographs right when I get done talking. But everything is great. Not much going on this weekend, which I kind of like. I am going to go see the Savannah Bananas on Sunday at Wrigley Field here in Chicago. So I'll have a few highlights from that, and that should be a lot of fun. My friend Rob got the tickets. He's actually seen them. He's going twice this weekend. Go figure. But grateful for that time on Sunday with him and our friends Scott and Jody. So that's all I got going. Been canning. There's a picture of what I did yesterday. I did some cherry jam and black and blue jam, which is blueberry and blackberry, or blackberry and blueberry, however you want to see it. So been busy. I give it all away and stuff, and so I'm trying to get a little ahead of the ball game. I couldn't do tart cherry jam this year because the berries were hard to find because they had 3 different freezes that happened. Usually get them from Michigan on up to Traverse City. So not a good cherry year. So I did do cherry jam though. It's just the regular sweet cherry. Anyway, enjoy the video, enjoy the pictures from Christmas in July, the Dunes Resort. Thanks to everybody there. Thanks to everybody that participated. And we're going to have another fantastic year. We did 25 years of walking out for the parade, 26 next year. The question is, will you be there and be involved with our group? I hope so. Have a great time. I will talk to you soon. Subscribe, like, and share. And now, without further ado, Christmas in July at the Dunes Resort in Douglas, Michigan. I'll see you on Monday. Take care. Bye.